Namaste to all. Here I'm with a new video relating to previous papers discussion, and in this video we are going to discuss the July uh, 2021 paper short questions. Okay, this is July 2021. So I don't want to waste further more time. इतना introduction बस है वीडियो के लिए. So there are theory questions as well as problems. Here in this question, out of 8, 4 theory questions are there, 4 problems are there. Sometimes you will be getting like this. So let us see what is cost center. We already discussed this point. ABC analysis, limitations of cost accounting. So theory first unit, second unit, whatever are there, classification of overheads, all this we have already discussed. So these are the 4 theory questions. After that, let us see the problems relating to this paper. Question number 4, we are having a EOQ problem. Annual consumption, that is A. Ordering cost rupees 24 per order, this will be your O. And price per unit 20 rupees, which will be used to calculate carrying cost. Carrying cost 20% they gave. When percentage is given, we need to calculate on the price. Okay, so here C is equals to 20 rupees into 20%, that will be 4 rupees. Okay, 4 rupees we will get as C. So calculate EOQ, simple question. So without wasting further more time, let us calculate EOQ. See, July 2021, question number 4, working notes or data given. Annual consumption, please write all this in detail, you too. So annual consumption, A is equals to 1200 units. Ordering cost per order, O is equals to 24. Price per unit is given rupees 20. Carrying cost per unit per annum 20 rupees into 20%. परसेंटेज सिंबल यहाँ पे चले गया बाजू में. So it will be rupees 4. Now what is the formula for calculation of EOQ? Working notes are over. Here is the answer. Calculation of EOQ, economic ordering quantity, is equals to under root 2AO by C. Some may use it as S or I. I use them as it is, so it's your wish. You can denote anything, but correctly write those things like carrying cost, inventory, carrying cost, like that. So under root 2AO by C. So 2 into 1200 units A, rupees 24 O, divided by carrying cost rupees 4. So it will be under root 57,600 divided by 4. It will be 14,400. If you root 14,400, you will get 120 units as your EOQ. Here ends the EOQ. Okay, let us see one more question. So here is the question number 5. A worker under Halsey method. Hope it is visible to you all now. A worker under Halsey method of remuneration per day of 24 per week of 48 hours. He is getting rupees 24 for 48 hours. So per hour it will be 24 divided by 48. If you do, you will get 0.5. This is per hour cost. Okay. See, I'm recording at 1 o'clock because at this time only there will not be any disturbance at home. होता है ऐसा. चलो, let us see other things. What they are saying, living allowance, cost of living allowance 25 पैसे per hour work. कितने घंटे काम करें उतने घंटे 20 पैसे आपको मिलेंगे. 20 paise means 0.20. Okay, next, he has given 8 hours task to perform. This is your standard time 8. Yes. Okay, and he has taken 6 hours to complete. This is your T, time taken 6 hours, time allowed 8 hours standard, and he is allowed 30% time saved as bonus premium. What would be total and hourly rate of earning? Total earnings as well as hourly rate of earning. Each घंटे के लिए कितना होता वो भी बता दो बोल रहे हैं. So per each hour ఎంత ఖర్చు అవుతుంది, ఎంత ఖర్చు అవుతుంది అది కూడా చెప్పమంటుండు, as well as total earnings under HALSE we need to calculate. So we did similar thing in the long questions. Now we need to do it as a short question, only HALSE plan. In long he will ask 2-3 methods. So question number 5. See, notes are data given. Rate per hour 24 rupees we are getting for 48 hours. So per hour it is 0.50. Living allowance 0.20 paise per hour. Standard time 8 hours. Time taken T 6 hours. HALSE premium plan 30% of time saved. It is given in the question, so we are taking that only. Now I am doing one more working note, okay, to do the long answer properly. So wages under HALSE plan is equals to E for earnings, T into R minus, they gave 30% bonus, so we are taking 30%, otherwise we will take generally 50%. So क्वेश्चन में 30% मैनेजमेंट मेंशन करे तो उतना ही लेना पड़ेगा. So S minus T into R, 6 hours into 0.50 plus 30% of 8 hours minus 6 hours into 50 paise. So 6 into 0.5 it is 3 rupees. 30% of 2 hours, that is 8 hours minus 6 hours, 2 hours into 0.5, 3 rupees into 30 paise, so it is 3.30 as wages under HALSE plan. Now our main answer comes here. Statement showing total earnings and hourly rate of worker under HALSE plan. Particulars amount 2 columns. Wages working note 6 HALSE plan के हिसाब से, as per HALSE plan we have got 3.30, so I have taken. Add living allowance 6 hours worked at 20 paise per hour, they said, so 20 paise into 6 hours it comes to 1.20. So if you add both total wages or earnings, you will get here as 4.50, that is these two, 3.3 plus 1.2, 4.50. Number of hours worked 6 hours we have, standard is 8 but he has worked only 6 hours, so effective hourly rate. Total earnings 4.50 divided by 6 hours, you will get 0.75 paise per hour, that is your effective rate. Here ends the answer number 2 also. So फटाफट करेंगे, और एक क्वेश्चन भी है. So next, what they are saying here, ascertain the amount from the following, ascertain the profit from the following. Okay, let us see that question also. This is your question number 7. ये ओवरहेड्स का एक थियरी क्वेश्चन है बीच में, आफ्टर 5 6th one. Cost of production 88,000 rupees for 22,000, so per unit it will be 4 rupees. Selling expenses 40 per unit, 40 NP per unit rupees. Sales 1,08,000 for 18,000. See, one simple logic I'll tell. You have produced 22,000 and you have sold 18,000, so remaining will be your closing stock. ये किसी को दिमाग में आएगा, जिसके दिमाग पे ये क्लोजिंग स्टॉक बारे में आएगा, व्हेन यू हैव प्रोड्यूस 22,000 एंड यू आर सेलिंग 18,000, रिमेनिंग विल बी योर क्लोजिंग स्टॉक, ये किसके दिमाग में आएगा वो ये प्रॉब्लम सही करेगा, बाकी पूरे गलत कर देते. सो क्लोजिंग स्टॉक इज देयर, that is what we did similar questions in the class also. So hope you are understanding the things. So let us do the answer without wasting any further time. So working note calculate कर लेना है. Working note 1. Okay, question number 7 we are doing. Closing stock in units is equals to units produced minus units sold. 22,000 units minus 18,000. Closing stock units is 4,000 units. Okay, now statement showing total cost or profit, इसका एक स्टेटमेंट बना रहे हैं अपन, तो जल्दी से ये भी देख लीजिए, फटाफट हो जाएगा. ओके, आई इंक्रीज, थोड़ा थोड़ा ऊपर करेंगे. राइट, नाउ स्टेटमेंट शोइंग टोटल कास्ट एंड प्रॉफिट and cost per unit and profit per unit. Particulars amount cost per unit. Units produced 22,000, ये लिख के रखो, because everything till cost of goods sold, okay, means cost of production तक. From cost of goods sold onwards we will divide it by number of units sold. Till this point you will divide it by number of units produced. So for 88,000 cost of production is given in the question, 88,000 divided by 22,000, it will be 4 rupees per unit. Closing stock, less closing stock, ये भूलना नहीं, ये यही मेन चीज़ है. लेस क्लोजिंग स्टॉक 4,000 यूनिट्स वर्किंग नोट 1 में करें. कास्ट पर यूनिट प्रोड्यूस्ड 4 रुपीज़ जो ये आ रहा है यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई कर लेना, 16,000. सो फ्रॉम 88,000 if you deduct 16,000, your cost of goods sold will become 72,000. 72,000 divided by 18,000 units, your cost of, ये यहाँ पे ले लेंगे, cost of goods sold per unit 4 rupees. How means 72,000 divided by number of units sold we need to take instead of number of units produced. Okay, so it is 4 rupees we have got. Next, to cost of goods sold we need to add selling and distribution expenses. So add selling overheads. Selling expenses given 40 NP per unit. So unit sold into selling expenses per unit, 18,000 into 0.40, that is around 7,200. So 72,000 plus 7,200, total cost comes to 79,200. Here also you need to divide by 18,000 units, because number of units from cost of goods sold onwards we need to divide by 18,000 number of units sold. So it will be 4.40, or else you can directly add these two things, 4 rupees cost of goods sold and selling expenses 40 NP. So 4 plus 0.40, it will be your total cost 79,200 and per unit cost 4.40. In the question it is given sales, we need to calculate add profit. This will be your balancing figure, total cost और sales के बीच में. So G point, sales is given 1,08,000, number of units sold 18,000. So 1,08,000 divided by 18,000, cost selling price per unit 6 rupees, and your total cost is 4.4. 6 minus 4.4, 1.6, and your profit balancing figure, your sales 1,08,000 minus 79,200. Here I wrote all those things. So here ends the your another question relating to unit output costing. Okay, next we are having one more question. Sir, in this video we are discussing 4 problems, so length of video may increase. It will not be completed in 15 minutes as we are doing in 15 minutes every time, because यहाँ पे 4 क्वेश्चंस डिस्कशन करना और थियरी भी बोलना, ये पॉइंट्स समझाना, थोड़े ट्रिकी वाले पूरे इस पेपर में है, so it will take time. Let us see the next question. Contract price, this is relating to contract costing. 25 lakhs cash received from the contractee being 80% of work certified. 12 lakhs, this is your cash received, and this is your cash received percentage. This is your contract price. Uncertified 50,000. Actual expenditure incurred on the contract rupees 10 lakhs including closing stock of material, okay, at contract site. ये 10 लाख में स्टॉक भी इंक्लूड है, ये जनरली होता है, ओके. मटेरियल sent to contract site will be debit side, so in that it includes closing stock value also. So closing stock at site is 40,000. we need to take this separately. Calculate the amount of profit to be transferred to profit and loss account from the above information. So first we need to estimate percentage of completion. On the basis of percentage of completion only you can segregate how much it will be transferred to P&L account. So to that we require work certified. It is not given in the question, so we need to calculate that as a working note. So let us see the question number 8. Here is the some information, okay. Working notes are data given. Contract price 25 lakhs, cash received 12 lakhs, cash received percentage 80%. Work certified is equals to cash received by cash received percentage. So 12 lakhs divided by 80%, it will be 15 lakhs, okay. Till here no problem, I think. Next working note we are doing with the help of contract account, calculation of notional profit, because notional profit में से थोड़ा ही कहाँ पे चले जाएगा, P&L account को ट्रांसफर होता. So notional profit with the help of contract account, particulars amount. Total contract expenditure is given 10 lakhs including closing stock, so 10 lakhs. By work in progress, work certified 15 lakhs, uncertified 50,000 is given, and closing stock at site 40,000. So it will be simply 15 lakh 90,000, that is 15 lakhs 50,000 plus 40,000, 15 lakh 90,000 minus 10 lakhs. Your notional profit balancing figure will be 5 lakh 90,000. On the basis of percentage of completion, we need to calculate the amount to be transferred to P&L account. So first we need to calculate another working note, that will be your working note number 6. Percentage of completion of contract. Work certified divided by contract price into 100. So 15 lakhs divided by 25 lakhs into 100, that will be 60%. If contract is completed 60%, that is 50 to 90%, then notional profit into 2 by 3 into cash received by work certified is the P&L account amount, right? So that is what we are doing here. He has asked simply this one only in the question. Calculate the amount to be transferred to P&L account for 60% of completion of contract, that is 50 to 90%. Profit and loss account is equals to notional profit into 2 by 3 into cash received by work certified. So profit and loss account is equals to 5 lakh 90,000 into 2 by 3 into 12 lakhs divided by 15 lakhs, or directly you can calculate right here cash received percentage, that is 80%. If you do 12 divided by 15 also, it will be 80%. So therefore amount to be transferred to P&L account, it will be 3,14,400, I think. Sorry, it will be amount will be equals to, यहाँ पे scanned बोल के आ गया, that will be 3 lakhs, I am writing here 14,667. if you want you can calculate 5,90,000 into 2 by 3 into 12 divided by 15, zeros omit कर दिया मैंने कैलकुलेशन के लिए. So it will be 3,14,667. that ends the answer. So I tried to finish it in 20 minutes. So सीखते रहो क्योंकि सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद. और इसका वीडियो का जो भी आंसर है ये फाइल मैं आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे देता हूँ. शेयर करो, लाइक करो, और अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं करे तो सब्सक्राइब भी कर लो. अच्छी तरह प्रिपेयर हो जाओ. जय हिंद.